Welcome to my channel. I am the natural one. You're watching One Stop Watch.
Number 6. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the natural one, and this is another One Stop Watch video, number 6. You guys, I want to say thank you for all those who have been supportive and subscribing. I have made it to 50 subscribers. Woohoo! You guys, you just don't know how excited I am, and I am so thankful. Thank you so much. Let's get into it before this footage run out. This is week 2 potatoes and garlic, and the footage just ran out. Okay. All right, moving on to y'all saw the 3 garlic cloves that sprouted, right? And the potatoes look good. But now let's get into week 16 mint propagation. And you guys, I should have cut off all of the flowers. I don't know what I was thinking, but all of these buds, whatever, started to grow back. And you know what? Guess what? It had to go. So I ended up cutting off all of the flower buds to get those seeds that I wanted. And yeah, and I was just going to tell y'all that I cut the flowers bud off, but as I was looking at the footage, I was like, this is so relaxing. And there you have it. I was trying not to get too scissor happy because that's how I got my hair from waist length to shoulder, okay? Barely. So let's get into week 18 mystery seed. Now you guys, if you believe you have an idea what this is, please leave a comment down below. Don't keep it to yourself now. Now the mystery seed plant that's down here has mildew on it. That's what that white stuff is, and it looks a little rough, okay? They still hold it in there, so but overall it's doing good, and hopefully we get some results soon. Up next is week 17 seed, corn and cucumber, you guys, all in the milk crate. So yeah, so nothing was pollinated, okay? And the cucumber's doing well. I don't have any cucumbers as of now, but at least it's still looking good. And all of this is not doing good. Look at that, it's all dried out, and yeah. But at least I have potential corn, and I'll know what to do for next year. That's why that spider's not there no more. Up next is week 21 seedlings. You guys, my tomato plants has been producing, okay? And I had harvest a few more tomatoes too. Look at the basil, it looks good. Now you guys, I was looking at this tomato plant. I'm like, where are all the leaves? Like, it's a few leaves here and there, but as it's getting taller, it's thinning out. Like, what's going on? If you know, please leave a comment down below. I'm thinking maybe it could be the species of the tomato plant. I don't know. Moving on to the ginger, and it looks really good, you guys. And if you know when to harvest it, please leave a comment down below. I also have ginger with the mystery seed in the same pot. Now let's get into the watermelon, dill, and a no-show zucchini, okay? I really don't know what happened this year because I normally grow zucchini and have success. But this year, when I decided to film it, it said, no ma'am. Moving on to the radishes and winter squash, and I have not seen the winter squash. I am letting the radishes go to seed. Moving on to the cauliflower that has been getting ate to the stem again, but it's trying to survive. Now we have the herb garden, which consists of lettuce, thyme, kale, and spinach. I am letting the lettuce go to flower so that way I can have seeds for next year. I am going to zoom in on the thyme that's there, and I harvest some of it because I had made some curry chicken, you guys. Now let's get into this towel, which consists of different types of peppers, which I only see habanero peppers and eggplants. Something's been eating my habanero pepper leaves, and I hope it's spicy and it burn their mouth. If you made it this far in the video, please consider subscribing and join the YouTube fam, okay? Share this video so we can expand our family, you guys. And thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited I made it to 50. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. For more videos like this, click here.